Across the Americas experienced a broad decline today, with the major indices in the United States, Canada, Brazil and Mexico all closing lower amid investor uncertainty. The Dow Jones Industrial Average suffered the heaviest losses, dropping 478.23 points, or that is 1.14%, to settle at 41,433. The sharp decline reflects heightened concern over the economic condition, inflationary pressures and potential shift in the central bank policies. The S&P 500 also recorded a decline of 0.76%, losing 42.49 points, while the Nasdaq fell by 0.18%, shedding 32.23 points, signaling caution sentiment in the both large cap and the stocks of the technological sector. Adding to the negative sentiments, the VIX, often referred to as the fear gauge, declined by 3.37%, closing at the 26.92%, and this indicates that while the stock prices were falling, market volatility was not spiking significantly, suggesting investors are not yet in full panic mode. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000, which tracks the smaller cap stocks, stood out with a modest gain of 0.22%, rising by also 1.43 points. This resilience in the smaller companies could also indicate optimism in the domestic economic growth, even as larger corporations struggle with the macroeconomic headwinds. North of the United States, Canadian markets also felt the pressure, with the S&P TSX Composite Index falling 0.54%, that is minus 132.51 points, and the S&P TSX 60 sliding 0.86%, that is a minus 12.66 points. The decline suggests that the concern over the commodity prices and broader economic growth may be weighing on the country's largest companies. Latin American markets were not spared for the downturn. Also, the Brazil's Bovespa dropped by a significant 1,111 points, that is 0.81%, reflecting investor caution amid economic challenges and possible political uncertainty. In Mexico, the S&P BMV IPC fell index, that is 0.42%, fell by minus 216 points, while Childs S&P IPSA dipped slightly by 0.05%, that is minus 3.85 points, indicating relative stability compared to other regional market forces. Overall, today's market performance across the Americas suggests growing investor caution as they weigh key factors such as interest rate, inflation trends and economic development, with volatility persisting and key economic data releases on the horizon. Market may continue to see fluctuation in the coming days as investors seek clarity on future monetary policy and economic stability. The commodity markets displayed a mixed performance today, with the energy prices experiencing gains while metals and agricultural commodity faced slight declines. WTI crude oil rose by 0.54 to reach sector 66.64, while the Brent crude oil followed by a 0.49% increase to reach $69.39. These gains indicate steady demand for the crude oil, possibly driven by economic optimism, geopolitical factors, or production adjustment by major oil-producing nations. Despite concerns about the global supply and demand fluctuation, crude oil remains a strong performer in the commodity market, maintaining prices with a stable range. In the metal sector, gold recorded a minor decline of 0.03%, settling down at $2,920. This suggests slight weakness in the investor confidence regarding the safe haven assets, as market participants may be shifting towards riskier investment or reacting to changes in the interest rate and inflation expectations. Meanwhile, the silver edged up 0.43% to reach $33, showing relative resilience despite the broader fluctuation in the precious metal market. The demand for industrial metals and investor sentiment toward the silver may be influenced influencing this positive movement, the agricultural commodity market remained relatively stable, with the soybean prices dipping slightly by $10.50. This major decline suggests steady market condition with supply and demand remaining balanced. External forces such as the weather condition, trade policies, and the global crop yields could impact price movement in the near future. Overall, today's commodity market highlights a divergence in the sector performance, with the energy prices showing strength while the metal and agricultural goods remain somewhat volatile. Investors will be closely watching macroeconomic trends, also the geopolitical developments and the sector specific factors that could drive further prices fluctuation in the coming